At Porsche, quality is represented by more than just a white glove. At Porsche, quality is thought out and planned. Using the virtual cockpit, designers can explore a new model before it has even been built. The resulting findings allow the vehicle concepts to be optimized at an early stage and to be aligned with customer requirements. The design is examined virtually using the digital data control model, well before the actual vehicle becomes reality. Porsche suppliers make a substantial contribution to quality. The continuous exchange with partners on-site ensures that every detail exceeds the expectations. Using augmented reality, Porsche is looking ahead and optimizing cubing processes, and at the same time setting new benchmarks for the entire industry. The color effect of the individual materials is investigated during the color matching process, which involves matching more than 600 visible components to a single color scheme. The result? A perfect, harmoniously colored interior in every Porsche. Quality work at Porsche never stops. Even when a vehicle is already on the market, customer feedback is analyzed based on various factors, such as region and climate zone. This feedback allows both current and future models to be improved. However, ultimately it is just one moment that makes the difference. When a Porsche fulfills all requirements and a perfect vehicle is delivered to the customer. Quality at Porsche, represented by more than just a white glove.